What made Albert Einstein great? E is equal to mc square. Such a complex things are combined in a most famous and rhyming equations. And whatever he has done in his life is governed by two very important principles of why and how. He stayed very focused and wanted to find out why things are working the way we are working and how I can explain them in a very simple way. What made Albert Einstein great? His ability to put complex things into simple equation is rare. Was he a God-gifted person, or he exhibited extraordinary focus in finding solutions? According to a small study, there are three qualities that made him super successful, unique and distinct from others. Albert Einstein is known for his ingenuity. For long, we have known him as the best physicist and a philosopher. And whatever he has done in his life is governed by two very important principles of why and how. Why things are working the way we are working and how I can explain them in a very simple way. It is only the second part that made him really different from others. In today's talk, I will give you three important qualities that anyone, if they can try, they can learn from it. So if you are inspired from Albert Einstein's life, and if you are also passionate to bring that same level of focus, bring more productivity and success to your life, this is for you. So let's start. Number one that made Albert Einstein great is he was infinitely curious. And we have to go all the way back when he was just 6 years of age. His father gifted him a magnetic compass. This toy very soon became his most treasured possession. For days, weeks and months, he was mesmerized how this magnetic needle is always pointing in north-south direction. He was fascinated and he was excited to see why and how I can explain this. Now, my dear friends, probably you and me remember getting our first magnetic compass. How long did we stay with it? 30 seconds. And after that we got distracted. Suddenly we started going to watch the dead squirrel somewhere. Or we started jumping on the mobile. We started playing with our friends. But Albert Einstein did nothing like that. He stayed very focused and wanted to find out why the magnetic needle is always pointing in north-south direction. This invisible force, this forced field was so fascinated that occupied his major part of intelligence for the rest of his life. Even on his last day, where he could barely walk, he took some time off and started working to improve his understanding about the forced field. Guys, and this is the same equation that he was mesmerized when he was just 6 years of age. He was infinitely curious. And he used to famously say, I am not extra intelligent, I am not genius, but I have patience to stay with problem little longer. And he used to say always, imagination is more important than intelligence, because if you can imagine, you can find the reason why. And if you can find the reason why, you can also find how it is working. E is equal to mc square. Such a complex things are combined in a most famous and rhyming equations. So if you are looking to imbibe some of the qualities of Albert Einstein, the most important one is be infinitely curious. That is number one. Number two, Albert Einstein was also infinitely patient. Once, his fellow scientists approached Albert Einstein and said, would you like to help me with my mathematical equation? Albert Einstein said, I can give it a try. As they started, the other fellow man was trying to explain how he's coming one thing after the another. And Albert Einstein was listening him very patiently. Suddenly, Albert Einstein interrupted him and said, excuse me, could you please go little slow? Because I take time to understand things. I take time to understand things. Albert Einstein, who is the genius of our age, is saying, I take time to understand things. Guys, if we want to develop that solution mind, we also need to understand to be infinitely patient and understand the things before we jump to the conclusion. Understand the context, understand the different repercussions. You have to be patient with the things that is there. If you can develop that mindset of a solution focused person, you are also on the same track to look for the best solution. The deep work that we are talking about is nothing but uninterrupted focus on finding solution without any distraction and without any obstructions. That is number 2. So if you are also looking to get the best out of your life, just like what Albert Einstein did, this is very simple. Be very patient and take all your time to understand the problem that you are having in your hands. That's number 2. Number 3, he was infinitely courageous. Yes, he never chewed his words. He always spoke his mind, and he is the first person who raised hand to say, I disagree what Newton has said. Can you imagine, in early part of 19th century, Albert Einstein was nowhere in the spectrum, and he is raising the hands and saying, Newton theory won't work when the things and the objects are moving greater than the speed of light. And he was the first person to say, I disagree. He could not get along with his fellow people just because of this nature. He could not get along with his professors because he never chewed his words in speaking to them. And because of this, again and again, he could not get a proper, decent reference from his fellow people, from his professors. And he could not get a job. For 3 years in a row, he was pillar to post. And finally, he has to settle for a grade 3 patent store. So if you have to come out of your comfort zone, you have to think out of your box. But please make sure you know everything what is there in that box. And Albert Einstein knew exactly what is there, and he was never hesitant. He was fearless, and he explained everything because he was so convinced. So if you're looking to create your own impact in the world, start by having infinite courage. That will help you to come out of your comfort zone and create that visibility in front of the whole world, where you start to make more and more positive impact. So with that positive thought, I challenge you to unleash the hidden Albert Einsteins within you that will make you super successful with your ability to ask relevant questions, and make yourself infinitely curious, infinitely patient, and infinitely courageous to live the life that you always wanted to live. Thank you very much.